Hey guys, I was looking for possible solution how we can fix the left earbud not working on a Jabra Elite 75T, because someone like wrote here on the comment, and someone wrote here the advice, maybe it's going to help you. So I have found a fix. There is a little hole between the ear tip itself and the charging connectors, and if you take something small and not too sharp like a toothpick and clean the inside of the hole, that fix it. So I found a fix. There is just a little hole between the ear tip itself and the charging connectors. If you take something small and not a spark like a toothpick and clean the inside of that hole, that fix it. So this is something that you want to try. Maybe it's going to help you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.